welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. I am obsessed with this look. It is perfect for any date or night event that you might have coming up. It is so bold and vibrant. I just love the combination of colors and how it just all looks together. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I just went ahead and clipped my hair back just so it could be away from my face. And the first thing we're gonna be doing is priming the skin. Even though I'm not gonna be starting with skin first today, I'm actually gonna be doing my eyes before. I still want the primer to be like melted into the skin when we do start working on that. So, and I'm breaking out, so the primer that I'm gonna be using today is from Tatcha. It's gonna be the Silk Canvas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of that. And then we're gonna apply this to the T-zone. I have heard so many good things about this primer. So I'm actually really excited to try it out. So I'm just going to push that into the skin. Ooh. Okay, I see why everyone loves this primer. My pores are literally disappearing, guys. I'm shook. So now I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and to prime the eyes, I'm actually gonna be using a concealer. It's from Jouer. It's their Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade Creme Brûlée. And I'm just gonna be priming my lids with this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna be taking my loose powder. This is from Too Faced. It's their Peach Perfect Setting Powder. And I'm gonna be setting that concealer before it starts to crease on us. I'm gonna go ahead and try out this trick that I learned from Cardi B's makeup artist, Erica La Perla. If you guys have not watched that YouTube video when she did my makeup, I'm gonna be linking it down in the description box so you guys can check that out. That video was super helpful. I learned so many tips and tricks from her, and the one I'm gonna be doing right now is one of them. She takes a piece of tape and applies it right on the outer V of the eye, and it gives you like that super like cut outer V that I love. So instead of using concealer, I'm just gonna go ahead and try out this trick, because if it works for her, honey, it must work. Like that. Oh my god, my hair got stuck in it. I'm gonna be trying out this brand new palette that just dropped. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's the Daisy Marquez collab, and that palette is so freaking pretty, guys. Like, let me just show you. So this is how it comes. It's a super cute teal color box, and then it has a super cute bow on it. Then when you open it up, this part completely comes off. I never ever tried a palette where the top or the mirror just comes completely off. That is genius. And look how gorgeous these colors are. The first shade I'm gonna be going into is going to be this yellow shade right here. I'm going to be applying this on the outer V, on over to the crease, and bring that in towards the inner corner of the eye as well. So it is pretty pigmented. I am not mad at it at all, and it's actually blending out really easily. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this color up, almost bringing it towards the brow bone, because I do want it to show, and I am gonna be blending it in with a couple other colors, so we have to bring this one up high a bit. And I do have a coupon code for BH Cosmetics. It is just Melly. Now taking a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna be going into the shade Karma. So I'm gonna be applying this shade in the exact same spots that I applied the previous color, but I'm just not gonna blend it up as high. That's why I'm taking a smaller blending brush. I'm actually taking a bigger brush now just to blend out the sharp edges of these two colors, because you know we do not want that. So we're just gonna keep adding a little bit more. I look super crazy right now, but trust me, this look will come together. I'm gonna be taking that same small brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Passion Fruit, and I'm just gonna add this color exactly where we applied the previous colors. So on the outer V, bring it into the crease and into the inner corner as well. This color is so pretty, and I'm just packing that on as much as possible. Thank God that I did not do my base first because I am getting a pretty good amount of fallout. So I would have been fucked at this point. To darken this up a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna be applying this on the outer V and on the inner corner. I'm not gonna take this into the crease. I look like someone just punched me in the face. I'm going to add a little bit of concealer to the center of the lid just to make that pop. And for that, I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow. So I'm just gonna be taking a small flat brush to apply that concealer. I have to be very careful with this part. Whew, I feel like I can't even breathe. So the shade that I'm going to apply over this concealer is going to be the shade Lucid. I'm just gonna be applying that right over that concealer. Oh my God, look how gorgeous this shade is. Oh, that is so pretty. Now I'm gonna be taking a small blending brush and I'm just gonna be going back in with that passion fruit color and just to blend out the edges of these two shades. So now it's time for eyeliner. The one I'm gonna be using today is from the Balm Cosmetics and is their black liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna start very thin on the inner corner. And as I get towards the outer V, I'm going to thicken that out. One of the things I love about this eyeliner is that it dries really quick. I'm just gonna take off the tape. Woo! Yes! So I'm gonna go ahead with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just apply a little bit of that to the top lashes. For lashes, I'm just gonna be reusing some of the Lily lashes, and these are in the style Miami. Now that the glue is dried down a little bit, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these babies on. Whew, I love these lashes. Love, 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 love them. I have a coupon code, which I'm gonna be placing right here. So if you guys wanna give these babies a try, they are bomb. Look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. I am not going to be explaining too much this part. I'm just going to speed through it because you guys have seen me do it a million times and I just wanted this video to be more focused on the eyes. My God, there's a lot of powder. Finally, we are done with the base. Well, semi-done, because I still need to add bronzer, blush, highlight, blah, blah, blah. For the inner corner, I wanted a pop of color, but something different, like something that's gonna throw this whole eye look off, and it's going to be this minty shade called Dream. Oh my God, I love it. This is so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack that on. So now to smoke out the lower lash line, because that's really what's gonna bring this whole look together, I'm gonna be mixing these two shades together first. To really, really darken that lower lash line up, I'm gonna be going back into the shade Passion Fruit. So this one right here. So now I'm gonna be taking an angled brush and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is a matte black shade. And I'm gonna keep this as close to the lash line as possible. So I just really want this right under the lashes, literally. Where's that brush? Where's that brush? I just had it. Oh. For bronzer, today I'm gonna be trying out a new one. It's from Cover FX. This is their Perfector Face Palette, and I'm gonna be going into this shade right here. For blush, I'm gonna be going into Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, but this one is in light medium. This shade right here. A little to the temples just to give me some more color. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's Heatwave. I am obsessed with this highlight. Look how pretty that is, guys. Like once you pack this on, woo, it looks so pretty. All right, guys, I'm gonna be going in with Morphe's Sweetheart. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be trying out the new Huda Beauty Graduation Day Matte Lipstick. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. So you guys know me, and I just have to go over it with a little bit of gloss. For that, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Midnight Cowgirl. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I'm honestly obsessed with it. I was not expecting this much drama. I'm just kidding, I feel like it's perfect for any day or night event that you might have. It is just so bold and vibrant. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look. Also, comment below any ideas that you guys might have for my next video, anything that you might want to see on this channel. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on my next video.